One of the big earnings movers of the week and the big one of the morning, PagerDuty shares surging today off the back of a strong earnings beat, continuation of the trend we're seeing in migration of the cloud and then maintenance of it. You see it there up 26%. That's more than a quarter. Joining us now exclusively is PagerDuty CEO Jen Tejada. Jen, good to see you. I can't help but note when we had you on after last earnings, the stock went down. You had an explanation for that. As of right now, I think it's up some 54% from that level of around $26 a share. What were investors surprised by here, do you think?
Well, it's nice to see you, John. I think investors are responding to the positive momentum in our business. What we really saw this quarter was product to market fit with our new AI ops and automation solutions, meeting the market's readiness to take on strategic initiatives to support their imperatives that are really driven by this one-way door we've walked through to being totally digital default. And those imperatives are cloud adoption, digital acceleration, and DevOps transformation. And these are all long-term tailwinds for our business. Our net dollar retention, or dollar-based net retention, went up to 119% versus 116% the previous quarter. And that's off the back of very strong expansion in mid-market and enterprise, where we saw big deals return to the pipeline. And really, a lot of those large deals were done on our digital operations management plan, which is really the platform with our strategic AI-driven solutions. So it was good execution, meeting the market where it is right now.
Now, a lot of investors are going to be new to PagerDuty. You haven't been public for that long. So let's make sure they understand what you do. You said in the earnings call that 4 of the 5 largest software companies in the world expanded on PagerDuty in the quarter to accelerate their DevOps transformation. Essentially, you guys are an early warning system inside the IT operation, telling people when things are broken or about to break so they can go fix the customer and end user experience, right? So is this move, this transformation that we're talking about in Salesforce, Slack, et cetera, part of what's also driving adoption of PagerDuty?
Well, I think you're seeing 2 really important trends in the market. One is that because everybody's business is transacting online, digital operations has become super important in terms of ensuring the business can meet its customers' expectations, but also do it in a cost-effective way. And so PagerDuty not only communicates about issues that are happening, it uses software to automate everything from the diagnosis to the orchestration of that work to the right teams across a business. And teams are now distributed, so that's a harder problem. And with the acquisition of Rundeck, we also now are automating the resolution with safe self-healing and auto remediation. So we really help customers get a handle on these incidents that can cost over $500,000 a minute if you don't get in front of them. The second thing that we've seen is that employees are really driving the decisions around what kinds of tools and solutions they use to get their jobs done, particularly critical work that impacts customer experience. And that really is the future of work, and that's where SaaS platforms like ours that are really designed for the user, the employee, as if they were a consumer, really easy to use, very quick to get value. You can be up and running on PagerDuty in minutes, and we published some research from IDC that would tell you you can get payback in 2 months and an 800% ROI with over $3 million of annual value from a PagerDuty implementation. So this is really important for our customers.
So with the
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.